Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kajingklang jong kading hagari Bangladesh kabadang beteng hadu menta kalapin pangnu jaga jai penriu khasi ya sorkar Meghalaya ba kumjuru ya sorkar India hadim bagi Nongïakhih kila wiang dakading ya ke Indira Gandhi Cultural Center kabadang Hanongba Dhaka jong kadi Bangladesh bandalor kata kila pen praru wat ya udur mon jong Syiem Tirot sing bala play paj ba adang shen dakatanan arts and culture jong sorkar Meghalaya hagari Bangladesh haga khatnriu tari urumpang arja arpsau kum ko video bala yoring dari News 9 lapen i bagi Nongïakhih kila penjulor bal lute lo naphang ya gitar bagi jingbu jingsat ki pada napo ni ke center kajing sha pen pra jong ni ke center bad udur ma jong Syiem Tirot sing kala jatang hadien bak Sheikh Hasina kala resign na kam menteri rang padu jong kari Bangladesh bal wan patri syari India.
Yeah, I've just seen a video which was sent by one media person showing the destruction of the entire Indian center, the High Commission, and apparently, yeah, the statue erected in memory of Tirot Singh also was demolished by a mob. No, I've just watched this video just 5 minutes back. So apparently there's a huge anti-India campaign which is ongoing in that country, and in the process the attack was meant on the Indian High Commission, the cultural center, and since the monument was erected within the premises of that center, it also fell prey to these mobs of arsonists and rioters. According to the video, I think the bust is demolished, but the lower portion bearing the name of Tirot Singh is still intact.